The Ridgid 18-volt cordless professional high-temp glue gun is a top-tier tool tailored for diverse tasks, ranging from woodworking to automotive repairs. Boasting a swift 90-second heat-up time, this glue gun offers 3 temperature settings, peaking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The adjustable stroke dial ensures the right glue amount for each task, while an LED indicator keeps users informed about temperature and gun status. Despite its compatibility with all Ridgid 18-volt batteries and chargers and a lifetime service agreement, potential users should note the initial investment, given its premium price point and the separate battery and charger requirement. However, for those prioritizing performance and durability, this glue gun proves its worth. The Makita ML7G XGT flashlight is a state-of-the-art cordless flashlight deriving its power from the 40-volt Max XGT battery platform. This tool is not just about power, it's about precision with a 1250 lumen LED light that casts a beam as far as 640 meters. Users can choose from 4 distinct lighting modes, and the 90-degree swivel head ensures illumination from almost any angle. Built for the toughest conditions, its water-resistant and dust-proof qualities make it indispensable for outdoor tasks. While its price point might be on the higher side, and it requires a specific battery, its exceptional features and durability underscore its value. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the Makita ML007G stands out as a premium choice in cordless flashlights. The Makita E15752 91-piece bit socket set is a comprehensive toolkit essential for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, packed with 91 tools. This set offers everything from hex key bits and Torx bits to ratchets and combination wrenches. Built for durability and precision, the bits and sockets are crafted from top-tier materials. Key components include 19 hex key bits, 13 PS and PH screwdriver bits, 11 Torx bits, 10 sockets, and 5 combination wrenches, ensuring versatility for multiple tasks. Accompanying these are 2 ratchets, a flexible bit holder, a magnetic bit holder, and a 1/4-inch extension bar, all neatly housed in a robust case. With its remarkable affordability, the Makita E15752 is an indispensable addition to any tool collection, promising both quality and range. The Makita Phonic, a 40-volt Max XGT cordless brad nailer, stands out in its class. Designed to drive 18-gauge pin nails up to 40 mm, this tool ensures precision even in tight spaces thanks to its compact design. While it boasts of a long battery life and durable construction, making it both reliable and robust, there are a few considerations. Its price point might be a deterrent for some, and while powerful, it might not match up to certain pneumatic nailers in the market. Some users have also pointed out the magazine loading process could be smoother. With a magazine capacity of 100 nails, the BL motor promises high power, ensuring quick and consistent nail firing. One distinct advantage is its slim nose, specifically designed for securely driving nails into narrow baseboards. Grizzly's electric pipe and tube notcher, which stand as a versatile tool for metal workers, streamlining the process of notching or coping with metal tubing for welding. Accommodating a range of diameters from 1/4 inch to 2 1/4 inches and walls up to 1/8 inch thick. Its 8 notching holes are its prime feature. Added conveniences include a removable chip drawer for easy cleanup and a sturdy stand ensuring stability during use. Although it's an affordable and user-friendly tool, it may not rival the power of pneumatic notchers, and the chip drawer size might be limiting. Yet its value for the price remains unmatched for those seeking a budget-friendly notching solution. The Dewalt 27 pounds. The cordless SDS Max inline chipping hammer with its brushless motor offers up to 27 joules of impact energy, ideal for heavy-duty demolition tasks. This powerful tool boasts a chipping range of 1 to 5 inches and comes equipped with a rear handle for ease of use. Additionally, its dust shroud maintains a cleaner work area. Among its notable features are a 7-position variable speed control, OSHA Table 1 compliance when paired with a dust extractor, and the Tag Ready feature, which, via the Dewalt Tool Connect app, allows users to track the tool's location. Though a formidable tool, it might come across as pricey and possibly less powerful than its gas-operated counterparts. The Milwaukee Packout 15-inch structured tool bag stands out in the modular storage system lineup, boasting a tear-resistant layered ballistic material construction. With a reinforced structure, this bag retains its shape and can carry up to 50 pounds. It's designed with an impact-resistant molded base that effortlessly connects with other pack-out components. Its all-metal hardware, EKK zippers, and 65 pockets ensure both durability and optimal organization. For ease of transport, a padded shoulder strap and a storable handle are included, while its durability and expansive storage make it appealing to professionals and dyers alike. Some might find it bulky or heavy. The Ryobi tow-behind utility dump cart with universal hitch is a versatile asset for garden enthusiasts. Designed for varied uses from hauling soil and firewood to plants and tools, this cart boasts a towing capacity of 500 pounds and a spacious 7.5 cubic foot bed. Crafted from robust steel, it promises durability, and its 16 all-terrain tires ensure easy maneuvering. Unique features like a 180-degree pivoting base and a quick-release latch make dumping hassle-free. With a universal hitch, it's compatible with most lawnmowers and tractors. Despite its advantages, it's slightly smaller than some competitors and tire inflation might be challenging. However, for its affordability and utility, it remains a valuable tool for yard tasks. The Ryobi 40-volt HP brushless Whisper Series 22 two-stage snowblower kit stands out as a reliable cordless solution for winter snowfalls. Designed to effectively clear snow from driveways and walkways, this blower boasts a robust 40-volt brushless motor equivalent to a 243 ECC gas engine. Its efficiency is evident with a 22 clearing width and an 18 depth, ideal for significant snow accumulation. Features such as variable speed control, self-propulsion, and adjustable 180-degree chute and bright LED headlights enhance its utility. Plus, its Whisper Series design makes it 44 quieter than traditional gas alternatives. The Ryobi 18-volt 1+ heat pin kit, priced at $70, offers a multifunctional heat pin along with accessories like a 2 ampere-hour lithium battery, charger, and specialized nozzles. With a temperature range of 450 degrees Fahrenheit to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, it's designed for diverse applications such as paint stripping or shrink tubing. Its compact design ensures user convenience, and the nozzles cater to different heating needs. As part of the Ryobi 1+ system, it's compatible with any 18-volt Ryobi battery, making it a versatile choice for varied tasks and suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. The Ryobi 18-volt 1+ HP compact brushless 220 CFM blower kit, priced at $110, offers a powerful blower complemented by a range of accessories, including a 2 ampere-hours lithium battery charger and different nozzles. This brushless blower effortlessly clears debris from various surfaces with its 220 CFM airflow capacity. Designed for user ease, it's compact and lightweight, ensuring easy maneuverability. The kit's extension tubes enhance reach by 20, and the alternative nozzles cater to varied blowing needs. Compatible with all 18-volt Ryobi batteries, it epitomizes versatility. This kit is ideal for both routine cleanup tasks and specialized uses like inflating tires. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.